Guys, wish you all a pleasant evening. Right, myself Rahul Bhatia, the founder and director of PHR Restaurant Consultant and Management. Today I'm here, right, as you're well aware, right, we have started this mission to educate our Indian community, right, okay, how to establish the correct successful restaurants business, right. So I wish you all a very pleasant and evening, and good to see you all for our shows, correct. So as you are well aware, right, we have established more than 100 plus resto projects on a pan India level, right, and we have personally mentored 1000 plus entrepreneurs, right, on a across India level, right, into strategy, correct business plannings, their complete reviews, right, projections, growth analysis, correct. So all these things we vastly covered. We are very subject matter experts into that, correct, right. How to plan up the business. This is our DNA, and we are super specialist in that, right. As I am personally been awarded the best restaurant consultant on a pan India level too, right. Twice I have been awarded, right, and our testimonials reflect that, right. So how we are setting up the things in a correct way, understanding the future markets, right, how developing the correct business, right. So if you are aware of this current situation, you must be, everyone would be thinking, okay, many successful restaurants, right, and entrepreneurs who want to come, right, always ask me one question, sir, what is the next good thing we can do, right. And my answer to them always is that, right, see, hospitality and F&B sector is quite promising at this moment too, right, and the scope of it is going to increase very rapidly, correct. So market is booming, businesses are booming, correct, and it is going to rise because the population of India demands that, right. So hospitality itself is very interesting. Now talk about the restaurant, QSR, cloud kitchens. These are the very interesting category which everyone should come into it, correct, because that makes a very wise business decisions to enter the market at this moment, correct, because the future is very exciting. See, whenever we see any businesses, if we see that temporary it is gloomy, so we all feel कि ये अभी आगे क्या होगा, but you don't need to worry, आगे अच्छा ही है and अच्छा ही होने वाला है. It is only the temporary syndrome what we say, correct. So future is very exciting, so everyone can come up into this space and explore the opportunities, correct. So today I will give you, as per the session, why an expert is very much needed, correct. So in every businesses I always advise, right, whatever you do, right, always have a mentor in place, right. Mentors are very important, experts are very important in today's role, because expert will give you the clear projections, clear ideas which your blind eyes can never see, correct. So always have a subject matter expert with you, right, because his or her role would be the tremendous game changer for you, got it. Whatever you do, you should have expert body with you, right. Otherwise you won't be able, see, it is there is very powerful saying in English, right. If you want to walk fast, right, you can walk alone, right, but if you want to walk far, right, then team in place, right, and teams comes with experts in place, then only you would be able to chalk that way to the farthest possible altitude, right. And we are all in business, right, to have a definite J-core. We are not satisfied with 1 or 2 outlets, 3 outlets. That doesn't make any business sense also, correct. We all Then when you say far, you should have your mentorship in place. You should have your alliance in place, right? So this mentorships, that's leaderships, will scale your business from 0 to 100 through the continuous guidance, because this is all continuous process. It can't be a one-time job. Definitely one-time experts comes on board, right? We as a consultant work with so many companies, right? We also come on board and we do the marvelous job and hand it over, right? But companies rehire us, right? Why? This is with a very simple and reason behind it, right? Because continuous process, right? Business is a continuous process and require an experts on the body on a continuous process to scale it up in every possible way and figure out the opportunities how we can grow together. Okay, so in my short brief, I had given you the explanation why it is very much needed, correct, and it's a need of an hour, correct. Second point, in a restaurant or a cloud kitchen industry, why you require an expert. See, in our businesses, experts are always needed whenever you need to start up, correct, right? Many experts are required, maybe right from a consultant to an architects to expert HVAC, right, panelist, right, social media strategist. Many people are required on boards, correct. What is the reason behind it, right? Everyone has its own expertise level, right? And when everyone gives you the correct right planning, your business strategy will improve and it will give you a J curve in your business. So you require the right people with you, because right people will give you right attitude, right mindset, right incorporation of strategies, right formulas of success which they have learned from their past so many years of experience, and give you the momentum for growth. That's the ultimate you want to achieve, correct. Now secondly, when you talk about experts in our businesses, experts are needed first of all, as I said to you shortly, for giving you right current business analysis, correct, proper market study, right. First of all, experts comes and give you the board of knowledge of current business plan, projections, what has to be done, where is the vacuum, right, and how you can tap this market, correct. Second, experts can give you the very good guidance, right, and can set you a great USP, right, because they have that eyes, they have that grid in themselves. Okay, they can create the USP for yourself, correct, and that would be, it will altogether create a niche for your brand. And trust me guys, this niche which is created will take you from, give you returns in exorbitant figures which you can't even imagine, right. So that's the second most important. Third, fundamentals of expert, they give you the right correct designs. See, designs plays a very important role. If your layout is not proper, right, maybe of your kitchen or your service area anyway, right, and it will create improportionate of staff functioning. You will need to have more people just to service the few people in the guest, because your designs are not clear. So when an expert comes, he will design a seamless layout, correct. There will be proper planning, proper manpower planning well in advance, with a very goal oriented kitchen designs based on your concepts, correct. Again, it will save you a lot of cost when you are operating it out, right. So that's very important. As I said to you, the fourth, right, earlier, to concepts. Concept is a key for your business, and if you develop it through an expert, he will create a very appropriate and wide depth concept. How your business has to be, how your pricing strategy has to be, how you can create your packagings, correct, how your material movement will flow. Everything can be done very appropriately in the hands of an expert, right. So make immense business sense. Fifth point I would like to elaborate, right, experts can give you the correct, see, market positioning. See, in today's area, you need to market your things very well, right. So through an experts, you can have a well defined your marketing action plan, right? Your objectives can be well defined. Your 6-month marketing plan can be in your action with a well defined strategy in place, and then you can work on that plan and see the results are booming, right? Because it's very important to have a well devised plan, correctly written, right, and then put it across and then formulate it and worked on it. Correct, guys? So it make immense business sense. Correct? So hope you all find this video very appropriate, right? कि why you require a mentor, correct, to take your business to the next level, right? Because these are all the proven business tactics which we are sharing on my free videos, right? Just to empower the people, young people, right, who aspire, right? See, I always believe, see, if you dream, right, then only you can achieve it. But dreams have to be well organized, right, through a proper manner, right? It has to be well defined in a correct ways, correct, and with a drafted strategies. So that will make immense sense, dear. Correct, to make you grow from 0 to 100. Okay, so I would advise, right, we are also share this video to the maximum people, right, so they also can understand how they can incorporate experts with them when they want to fly big, correct, and do share it to maximum people so everyone can learn, right, from these trade secrets which we are sharing at this moment on our channel, right, and can definitely improvise it, right, incorporate it and expand their ventures. Correct. We have a very clear intentions. We want to make 1 lakh restaurateurs community only from India who are spreading the wings to the global market, right? We want to see the next Indian brand, right, booming the global market. Correct. For that's what we are there to support you out, and PHR is always there to back the aspiring restaurateur to grow big as much as possible. Okay, so wish you all a very pleasure and great evening. See you in my next video, right? You also can draft whatever you want to learn, understand from us, so we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you. Have a great day. Thanks.